Yes. Good evening. It's me again, Shannon Murphy, Esquire Sr., appropriate still, Chief Executive Officer for Sheetmetal Associates, a legal advisory and document company. Now here are covert jurisdictions, Antioch, California. We are no longer at 2 Marina Boulevard, Suite 15, B as in boy 5, Pittsburgh, California 94565. Any longer, we have um, found better jurisdictions here in Antioch, California, we can say. Today, at our executive office, we are going to prompt the uh, complies now amends jurisdictions for a result our website being down on the construction. I want to apologize to the public for that downed website. Our SACO jurisdictions, Specialist Murphy's tax disclaimer applications are being dispensed there to the public. They are being able to download them from the site of PayPal jurisdictions, and then therefore the 15-page set, 10 pages of the application itself may be sent certified mail to the IRS for you to receive a $5,000 and or $9,000 stimulus jurisdictions appropriate the Specialist Murphy incidents malfunctions they're concerned. Here, this video, we are going to direct attentions to that specific claim, the 5,000, and then to refer you further later as the $9,000 stimulus jurisdictions applications will be available. Website be brought back live, appropriate for concerns, the distributions there, the download jurisdictions that that SACO site will comply and arrange for. Right now, we have arranged, since the site is under construction, for the appropriate documents still to be maintained, distributed to the public. We have not been in touch with Rice Wine Liquor in Pittsburgh about these continued distributions there at their outlet. We have left Pittsburgh. We will hopefully resubmit them in applications for them to vend there for our jurisdictions. Again, the tax scheme applications. Right now, we have this exclusive 8-page special. This is an 8-page special jurisdictions here of the same SACO jurisdictions. They advertised on, I believe it was Facebook also. But we have these applications here. You fill out your name there and place there. It's designated versus the Internal Revenue Service. Here we have the disclaimer: appropriate claims exemptions renewed could reconsider any old taxes. United States Internal Revenue Service jurisdictions relevant. Type request claim forms $5,000. Jurisdictions relevant recover any and all lost tax monies. Due regards, Specialist Murphy, USA. Specialist Murphy was mistreated. United States Army, your tax dollar portion was misappropriated. Therefore, you are due a rebate refund. Rebate jurisdictions consist there such as if you owe taxes, then the result should be either a voucher or, here in this case, hopefully the IRS considers the effects that on page 2 we have amended page 2 specifically to request treasury check. Now it's up to them what they want to do. Is a filter device there. I have result complies by my censorship there. The vouchers was implemented in the first place was to censor or to filter that which was to be submitted and consists that some people do owe taxes. Now, vouchers are in place. Voucher 1 and 2 states that for if you owe taxes, submit this voucher, the bottom one, I believe it was, for the payment. Submit this with the payment or for the payment regards, and we'll take whatever you owe out of $5,000, and when we will deliver you the difference there of the $5,000 remaining. Now, here, like it says, we have the 8-page jurisdictions, exclusive. There, 10s there. They have registration numbers here, so no two applications are the same. This is registrations. The IRS will be notified, therefore, of regards. Their designated number there classifies yours exclusive intentions. The soldier's signature is going to be complied to on page 1. Veterans disclaimer signature is here versus the other documents. Page 3 did hold its own jurisdictions prior to design of this disclaimer page for Specialist Murphy's disclaimer. Used to have a signature here, it complies. It's no longer, it's on page 1. Got exclusive medical record jurisdictions there. The Specialist Murphy states that there came to the hospital because you were brought by the Secret Service. You were trying to reach the president. I need to talk to the president about my 13 teeth pulled out in military. This is an official medical record. Diagnosed with bipolar 1 disorder. Therefore, and then he was released there. That was Murphy. Now, General Murphy, United States Army, mind you. Here, page 5 also specifies that 17 years Specialist Murphy refused to pay taxes, and it has not been abated properly. Supposed to be in prison by that. Reference. Anyway, here's a copy of the vouchers, presentations, and then there's the notice there, the applicant of the vouchers jurisdictions. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is all we have pressed for time. We're going to have to leave. Thank you very much. Hope you get these vouchers and these disclaimer applications as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and have a good day.